Well, hey there, guys. I'm back with a new tablet. You guys can see this in my hands, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. And you see, it's really cool. I'm gonna unbox it, and I heard it was a good tablet, so I'm gonna Xbox it right now. And up next, Samsung. Up next. It's hard to open. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Right here is where the tablet is at. It's really cool. We're gonna put it on the side. And right here is your little, what do you call this? Your little
USB charger?
USB charger thing. And then let's go ahead and open this. This is the wire to charge the tablet, but I don't use a wire. Let's see what's in here. These are like instructions, but let's move on to the tablet. Guys, when I already showed you this, I'm gonna go ahead and get the tablet up and set it up. I'm gonna open it from here. And this is what it looks like. Let's open it up. It looks really cool. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can. It's waiting. It says Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e, powered by Samsung.
Android.
Or Android, whatever, I don't know. It's waiting for it. We're waiting for it to turn on. See, it says Samsung. Hello. Hold on. Oh, you see? Verizon. It's by Verizon. So, guys, if you didn't know, I ordered this on Verizon, and we're going to go ahead and get the case on, and we'll be right back. So, let's go. Okay, so I got the tablet all set up. We just swipe up. I'm into the password. And I have all the games loaded up. I have all the apps. And I got everything set up. I got Bixby, which is, she doesn't work if you say Bixby. It doesn't work because I have not set it up. But I think Google works. No, it doesn't. Okay. So I set it up. It's completely set up. It's completely new. I just started it. I have all the apps, Google Photos and Google Duo. And I have YouTube. I'm going to try how loud it is. So I'm going to do non-copyright, non-copyright music. Okay. I'm going to search it in. Let's see what kind of. Let me switch to the other one. Sorry guys, it's going to take a while. Hold on. It's going to take a while, so. Yeah, don't blame me if I'm just taking too long, so. And there. So I'm going to do this one. If I give you. It's really loud by the ads. Oh, I hate the ads! Okay, this is how loud it is. And it's on full blast. We're just waiting for the thing to turn on. I hate these. Okay, I'm going to go to the beat. And you guys can see it's so loud. So I just showed you how loud it is. It's really loud and it's really cool to play games on. And so the first step, we're gonna try the camera. So we're gonna try it. It's really cool, and I think it's really what's that? I don't know what was that, but I got this set up. Hold on, let me take a quick picture of me. I just don't want to look that kind of good. Okay, I took it. It didn't go through. Notifications system. Okay, the thing is on full blast, so let's see. Okay, we did it. Oh. Okay, let me show you the photo. So that's how clear it is, and I'm going to take a video and test how the volume or how I sound is really cool, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you like this video. And and this is really cool. It doesn't really have that much gigabytes. It only has 64, right? 64 gigabytes. And let's show you what it has on the tablet. And I created my wallpaper. It looks so cool. And yeah, you even got the back camera. And I got the case here. You see? And I can watch movies like that. Let me see if I can push this back. Okay, you guys can see. And this is the charger thing. This is where the speakers are at. There's one speaker here, and there's a speaker here, and then another speaker here. There's only 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and and that's why this thing is really loud. And I recommend you guys to get this tablet because it's much better than all the other ones. And I think that's what's gonna end the video. And if you guys are interested in this tablet or Samsung, whatever, I don't know, I will get in the link in the description below. And
if you're interested in the external memory card, which can go up to, I think, 500 gigs, we will also link that in the description.
Yep, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.